In this video I'm just going to show you how to download the pack. In this case we're using a sample pack called Easy Traffic Videos, and you should have something like, in this case, because it's actually a package we can edit and it's got PLR rights as well. We've got PSD files if we want to edit graphics. We've got the reseller files, which gives us our website, squeeze pages, etc. We've got the videos, which is the actual content folders that we'll be giving and selling to our customers so they can watch the videos and download them. And then we go on to things like the source code, the master resell rights, and the PLR, if it's included. If it's just a resell pack, if you know how to edit source code files, you probably don't need this course anyway. So in our case, we're focusing mainly on the reseller files and the videos for our customers. So all we do is we download these, we left click to make sure we put them on our desktop. Once you've done that, you've got something like this here. We've got our reseller files, which is the zip files, the videos. And what we want to do now is extract these onto our desktop so they're ready to use. Now this is where, if you watch previous videos, we used a file called unzipped, and I showed you how to get that for free. We right click, choose unzipped, extract it to here. That's going to give us this folder. We do the same with the videos. Extract it to here. It's going to extract the videos. In this case it's quite a large package, so it's going to take a little bit of time for these ones. And unzip again, extract. And once again, number 3, extract. So then we'll have the reseller files in a folder and the 3 video files also in the folders. Now if we go and have a look, you'll see in the reseller files we have our documents, our static squeeze page, which we're not going to use in this one. If you wanted to have an alternative, you could go and have a look at that and you could use that if you wanted to. I'm going to use the video squeeze page in our example. We've then got the website itself, which includes the resources for our members. If we go back again, we've then got the 3 video files. Now if we double click and go into those, you'll see that they're laid out ready to play. If I hit play here, Camtasia is going to start playing the video for me, and it's like that for all the videos. These are all set up ready for you to go, or ready for your clients. You just need to follow the procedure when we show you how to upload, and then the people will be able to access those videos from there. Just to show you what I mean, if I go to reseller files and I go to the website, the download page in this particular package is configured already so that when the person views it, and I'm going to open it in my window at the moment. Now at the moment, if I click on it, it won't work because it's set up on my computer. But once you upload it in the way we show you, this will all work, and I'll show you that basically your clients can come in here and then they can start watching each of the videos. And they can also download the zip file resources file as well. So you can add any bonuses or anything else you like here on the delivery page. And as we go through this course, you'll see how to set all this up. But in essence, the idea here is that this has been done for you, and any good resell rights course will be set up in a format that is literally very simple for you to install and go. So now we've extracted all the files into their folders, we're actually ready now to begin setting this up. And in the next video, I'm just going to walk you through which order you upload these to your website. Thanks for watching.